Hey, I'm Neil, and I'm building an engine to make it easier to create real-time AI apps. So I'm an engineer. I like code, but one of the things I found when trying to build like real-time AI apps is it's not like request response like a typical web app. It almost looks more like a game, like game engine, right? There's things happening all the time. There's kind of complicated state machines. So I wanted to build a kind of like tooling to help make it easier to build that kind of stuff. But I didn't want to sacrifice the flexibility that you get by writing code. So I came up with this graph system. So I'll show you kind of like what I came up with. Um, Specifically, show you kind of like the type system of it. I think that's one of the key differences I saw lacking in some of the like call them like GUI builders is they're actually abstracted a lot away. And one of the things I wanted to do was as closely as possible keep it true to how you would write it in code, but give you the extra kind of like observability and iteration speed and all the good stuff that comes with the GUI. So here's what I got so far. So like here's like a basic hello world, right? I can add a publish node and an output node. And the publish node has like audio and video, and output has audio and video. So if I connected like video to video, for example, and hit run, you should and turn my camera on, you would just see the echo, right? Um, so these nodes here have like strong types, but many nodes you don't know the types up front. So I need to create like a generic system. So for example, if I delete this edge here, if you have like a merge, I'll just bring some nodes in that they'll essentially do nothing, but just to show the point here, and delay, and I'll add even like another delay. Oops. And let's just do this. So you'll notice here this merge, like merge, you can merge anything when you anything of the same type. So this one, the merge. At first, it takes any type and it produces any type. But once you connect a pad, it should now be kind of like locked to that type. So it's like a generic. So if I connect video, now this is a video node. Same for delay. Right? You can delay anything, but if I connect it, now it's video. Connect it, now it's video. Connect it, now it's video. So this was kind of a tricky problem because the types can kind of like come from anywhere, and you need to go through the chain and take the intersection of it. It was also kind of tricky because some nodes, like the merge node, for example, you want to be able to merge multiple things. So you don't even necessarily know these like handles up front. So like this would be like the typical example. It doesn't make sense with video, but just for example's sake. But you also want to be able to delete these edges and for the types to sort of like fix themselves. So if I delete this edge, it's still going to be video because video is here. But if I delete this one, now all of a sudden they don't know their types and it becomes like a generic thing again. So I thought that was kind of like it was an interesting problem to solve. The other thing is they can recurse. So like for example, this I can send this one into here. It's nothing because there's no types on this at all. But as soon as I connect video to it, now it's video everywhere. So kind of came up with a pretty robust little type system, and yeah, it works. So I'm pretty happy with it. Lots more to do, but yeah, so far so good. And I guess I'll just like run this. I'll run this here to show you how it works. This one it's like the echo example, but it should delay 2 seconds. So there's 2 delays in here, and yeah, you get the idea. So 1, 2, and yeah. So if I put my finger up in 2 seconds, you should see it on the other side. Yep. And that's it.